Today we finished one new machine. This machine is a shearing machine. Now the fiber laser machine is more and more popular, but some customers they still need the shearing machines because shearing machine is simple use and it can cut very easy, and it also can cut very thickness much thicker. You can see now this is just 3.2 meters. 3.2 meters. We have the long platform. Here is the watch. Here is a gap. The gap for the knife gap. Okay. Here is the controller, and this is the operation table. Here is also one pedal for the operation. First, we teach you how to use it, and for the general introduction, here is the knife gap. This one is very important. This will be related for the thickness of the cutting. Look here, we have the gap table here. This is for the thickness, and this is for the knife clearance. That means for the thickness related to the knife clearance, just this. That means for the very thin plate, then you make it smaller. If the very thick, then you make it bigger. And according to this, to check. But of course, this is just in theory, not in practice. For the in practice, if it is cutting, you should according to the cutting effect. For example, now we will finish one cutting for you. Okay. Then later you can see the cutting effect. Now we cutting one for you. Okay, we press the pedal. You can see one cutting. Okay, one cutting. I will find it the effect. Look here. If the cutting edge is clean and smooth, that means this knife clearance is okay. Then we can use this knife clearance. If there is not smooth, there will be some rough place there, then we should make the knife clearance smaller. Make it smaller, and then cut again to make sure everything is fine, the cutting is fine, and then keep it. Okay. For this gap has been finished, now we start to introduce this controller. Now for the controller, we only ensure the back gauge is okay. Make sure, if for example, if we set the back gauge 300 millimeter, press the enter and then push the 300 millimeter, and then make it. Then the back gauge will be backside to the 300. Okay, now you can see here, it is changing. Yes, 300. That means we are setting is okay. Make sure one thing. When you set it, the first light must be running. The first light is for running. It must be closed, not be on. If it is on, for example, if it is on, you cannot set it. If it is on, just press again to make it closed and then setting it. Okay. Second is for here. This one is for the recurrent and single. Recurrent means again and again. Single means just one time. Okay. And then of course this is a pump, motor, start, and power on, start. Everything is okay.